Hello everyone, thanks for visiting our channel. In this video, we would like to explain our process on how we make screen printing batik sarong. As you have seen in our website or earlier in this video, we have many batik sarong design collections. Each design have a slightly different process, and in this video we are focusing to explain the process of screen printing batik. As your partner, we would like to explain and show you how we manufacture our products, and perhaps could be a new knowledge for you about how to make a batik sarong on a manufacturer scale. The first step that we need to do is to prepare the table and the fabrics. The fabrics that our manufacturer used for nearly 20 years is a second quality rayon, which is very popular in Indonesia to make a batik sarong. The characteristic of second quality rayon is elastic, soft, and transparent, which probably remind you, if you already wear it, that sarong is very versatile and comfortable to use in any circumstances. The other thing we need to keep in mind is to make sure the table is ready to use, clean, and spotless. Not only that, the table must pass the quality control to ensure the table is ready. How we ensure the table is ready is the surface must be flat, the rail must be straight to avoid any improper result of the sarong, the surface must be glued to let dry and fabric stay stick on the table for several period of time. Our factory have 24 meter long table and also 2 table with 28 meter long. The next step is color mixing. This doesn't have to be mean that we mix a completely different base color like in painting, which sometimes also possible depends on the client request. Color mixing have a purpose to make strong color when applied on the rayon fabrics and make the color have a tidier result. Our factory are using Manutex screen printing, Prussian, and powder dyes. We must measure each material weight. The more we add the material, the more it enhances the strength of the color. After we measure each material, place it into a bucket or something similar for mixing color process. After that, add a hot water and stir evenly distributed until it reaches the thickness like a paste. After that, we need to prepare the screen. The screen is one of the crucial components for coloring the fabrics. However, the screen must have required specification in order to make a perfect printing results. The screen requirement is must using monil fabrics. The density level of the screen must using screen with type T42 until T49. Must be clean and spotless. The screen frame must be strong. After the screen is ready, place the screen on top of the rayon fabrics, then loose the bolts and nuts. After that, press the ink color that we already mixed before. Press it gently strong. The employee that is assigned for quality control will check the pressing result, and if there is an ink spreading a bit, they will fix it. Every table have a divider equal with the screen printing size. Make it easy to work for our worker. The squeegee is the tool for pressing and sweeping the ink. To make the ink fully spread out, the squeegee is the important tool to have. Squeegee is a rubber blade attached to a long wooden handle. It's used to push the ink through the mesh screen and onto the surface being printed. The printer will usually pick a squeegee that is a similar size to the frame of the screen, as this will give better coverage. After that, wash the fabric 2 times in order to vanish the color left over of the previous process. Rinse the garment after washing process. After that, dry it for 2 days. As you have seen, the fabrics that are 24 to 28 meter long can be easily ripped. It is because the water helps loosen the fiber cloth. When we dry it, the wind is very useful to help the fixation process. Fixation in garment industry is meaning that we make the color stay permanent. Well, that is the last process of making screen printing batik sarong. If you find this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Check our website and our social media for more batik sarong collection. If you have any question, please send an email to our email address hello@balisarong.com. Thank you for watching.